Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover XAI. This is a layer 3 solution for gaming, and there are many particular things about this project that make it super special. And the first one and most important one is that the project behind this is Off-Chain Labs, and these guys are the creators of Arbitrum. So if you want to participate on this possible airdrop, you can do two things. One, we speculate on the possible token airdrop that we are going to get from this platform if they do an airdrop. And the second thing is that there's a testnet odyssey that you can participate. This is the XAI Odyssey Vanguard that we are going to cover too in this video. So this time we have two possible airdrops, one that is official launch and another speculative token airdrop. And this project, again guys, is backed by the company that created Arbitrum. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. So very important project guys, XAI Layer 3. This was developed to enable real economies and open trade in the next generation of video gamings. With XAI, potentially billions of traditional gamers can own and trade valuable in-game items in their favorite games for the first time, without the need to use crypto wallets. XAI doesn't have their token, but has confirmed already the launch of their own token called XAI in the future. They have launched the testnet recently, so the early users who do testnet tasks may get an airdrop when their token goes live. This is speculative, there's no confirmation of that, always remember that. And XAI, like I say in the intro, is powered by Off-Chain Labs, and this is the company behind Arbitrum. The Twitter account of XAI is 53,000 followers already. Very interesting information about the different things, and primarily about this Vanguard XAI Odyssey that you can apply. We are going to check that. The website is really cool. You can scroll down and see many animations and really very nice information. This is why this is a layer 3. So you have Ethereum, we have Arbitrum, and then our layer 3 is XAI, that it will run as a layer 3 solution. And like you can see here on the Twitter, this is powered by Off-Chain Labs. And if you search for Off-Chain Labs, you don't only see that they have 33,000 followers, but this is the company that built Arbitrum for secure Ethereum dApps. And here is the people that created this. You can Google these people and you will understand that all of them are the ones that were behind Arbitrum. So this is really big guys. So now that we have some clarity about XAI, let's go to my step-by-step for this double airdrop. So step 1 is follow them on Twitter or X, and step 2 is join the Discord. You're going to need to do these two things for this airdrop, so you just can do it on step 1 and 2. Then step 3, you need to visit Arbitrum Goerli faucet page, so you will need to get Goerli tokens for Arbitrum. So remember to connect to the Arbitrum testnet. If you don't know how to do that, you go to chainlist.org, search for Arbitrum, click on the checkbox for the testnet, and you will be able to add it to your Metamask. Once you are connected, you can come to that link. Here you put your address and click on request Ethereum. There are many pages that you can use to get Arbitrum Goerli. So another one is the one from QuickNote. So if you go to that URL, you need to connect your wallet, then you select Arbitrum there, and here you put Goerli, and with your address you click on continue. Then you can create a tweet and get 0.05 or half of that if you don't want to do a tweet, but 0.025 is enough to do a lot of transactions. So you can see this already complete, so you will be getting those Ethereum for Goerli in a couple of minutes. So after you have your Goerli tokens on Arbitrum, we go to step 5, which is add the XAI testnet into your Metamask. Here you have the link to the foundation. So here you have the information of your RPC URL and everything. So adding that into your Metamask, you will be connected to the XAI testnet. That is the step 5. After that, we want to bridge Ethereum from Arbitrum Goerli to the XAI testnet. So connect to the XAI testnet, go to this URL on the bridge of Arbitrum. You are going to see this. So here you can see that you don't have anything on the XAI testnet. So we are going to move from Goerli Ethereum to the XAI testnet. So click here to do the opposite. So from here we are going to send from Arbitrum Goerli to XAI testnet. So now click move funds, and we are going to bridge this from one network to another. And you can see that we are moving Ethereum to XAI testnet. And you can see the transaction finished, so we should be receiving the tokens on our testnet. And you can see I have 0.05 Ethereum now, so we already have some tokens here to do transactions and pay gas fees. So after step 6, we move to step 7, which is visit the XAI testnet tokens page and meet the quest tokens. So we go to that link of the testnet token. We need to switch into the testnet, so I will click on switch network. Go to the site testnet. Now I will put an amount here to mint and click on mint free, and we need to wait to mint this. It says fail to mint the drop, so I will try to put a lower amount here. And you can see how I successfully minted one of the quest tokens. So since that you only can mint from one. After doing that, we go to step 8, which is now we visit the XAI testnet NFT mint page. So go to this URL. Once you are here, connect your wallet. And after you connect your wallet, click on mint, sign the request. And you can see that we minted correctly. Now you can click on view mint, and you will see here the image of your NFT that you just minted. So we did step 8 and 9, which is clean mint and mint the NFT. So we already finished with that. So this is your Odyssey View Mint NFT. And you can see here that the foundation to celebrate is giving away the Odyssey collection, a set of 42 unique images representing the XAI Vanguard. Mint one testnet PFP each day to complete Galxe quest and get one step closer to achieve one Vanguard status. Learn more about the XAI Odyssey and becoming guarded on the Discord. We continue with this task after this. If you want to try mint it again, you can see that for day 22 you already minted this Vanguard. So you can do this once per week day. Now go to step 10, which is complete the Zealy quests. The first one, of course, is showing the Twitter, showing the Discord. Many of the things are social stuff to do. And you have stuff also that are limited to time. So go to the Zealy and complete all the tasks that you can. So joining the Discord, follow them on Twitter, and many other stuff, you can already do it to get more points on the completion of this task. And finally, step 11, complete the Galxe and claim the roles. So go to the Galxe. This is going to be important. Try to do as many as you can for the XAI Odyssey. So you can see the first one is the onboard stage. You need to follow many of these accounts and get the role on XAI. Here you can get more points if you do this stuff. And you can see how many of these are going to give you a lot of points to participate on this. For example, the minting page, 525 points. But these are only for the one that mint the Vanguard of day 1. And here you have the one for day 2. So check this, try to get all the roles that you can from this. Many of them, maybe you cannot do it, but at least you can try to get into one of those. And that will be all for this video, guys. This is how you participate on the Odyssey Vanguard, and also how we interact with all the protocol in order to maybe speculative about the token launch. We may get some rewards. I think the important stuff here is also to get the roles on Discord. So you can go to the Discord, it's really important for this project. Here you have the roles explained on how to get all these roles. And many informations and interesting channels are here on the Discord. So the Discord is really active, 44k followers on Discord. So go there and interact to increase your role and doing the Galxe stuff. So remember, very important project powered by Off-Chain Labs. And we know that Arbitrum was really airdrop friendly. So maybe this project, this layer 3, could also be part of this community reward system that will give us some tokens for participating. So that is all for this video. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Don't forget to check my subscriptions on my website, the second link on the description. The first link on the description is all the information that I share here on this Excel file. is going to be on the first link on the description, that is a post on my website. And the second link is my subscriptions. You can check here my private Discord and my airdrop application that will help you a lot in this airdrop game. So check these videos on how my app works. It's going to help you a lot. That will be all, guys, and I see you in the next video. Bye.